Good morning. I'm back on the pool that featured in my last angling session, and in the blog post I wrote that generally speaking bigger waters, deeper waters equals bigger fish. Will that be the case this time round? Let's see, shall we? First cast and first fish. Nice roach. There are still pond-sized roach in here as well. Not that I'm complaining, of course. It's all good. I just hooked into something that was obviously more significant in size than the roach that I've been catching. And as you can see there, it's a pike. Let's get my tripod ready and we'll get an angler and fish photo on this occasion. I wondered why it had gone quiet. Well, here's the answer. After eating all the roach in the swim, this is why you kneel down and get a firm grip on the fish. After eating all the roach in the swim, or at least driving them away, it decided to have a go at the two white maggots on a size 14 hook. And that proved to be its downfall.